Hello everyone, today we are gonna look for the badges today, so let's get straight to this. So over here you're gonna want to go to the morphs, go to the OC maker, then we gotta go over here where it says for the heads. You wanna go over here because usually there's stuff on here. You got, and follow me where I go. So this is kind of strange. This is my first time making like how to make a badge video thing. And I see someone. I don't know why. There's a bear next to it. And over here is a rocket. So you might want to get that. And then this will give you the badge actually. Now we are gonna go to the badges over here. La 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 la. Oh god, stuck. No! I didn't want to do like that. Alright, and there's the blast off badge. Look at this. Looks so cool. Looks cool. I can shoot at someone. Bah, 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 bah. So yeah, this is all I wanted to show you guys. But I actually changed my avatar a little different. Yeah. Rainbow. The arms. And yeah. This is, I guess this is like an emoji thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like. Make sure to subscribe. Press the bell on with notifications so you don't miss any videos I post. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, guys.